with one hand like that because it looks enough like a heart. And your heart is about the size of your hand anyway in this kind of position, so that's pretty fitting. I can make a heart with a double fist like this. Can I do that on YouTube? No, I can't. I can do a heart with one hand like that. I can also do a heart like this with two hands, two fingers from each hand. It is magical, truly magical. Big Bop, thank you for joining the live stream. Anyway, guys, thank you so much as always. As I say, thank you for being here, for being awesome, for being part of the live streams. Mahalo, as they say. Thank you, Armando Norelias, for showing up. Love you all for being so cool and for showing up here on the live streams and dropping likes and dropping hearts and likes on the videos and all that cool stuff that you guys have been doing and helping me out here on the TikTok. Well, I'm sorry about the people who are in YouTube land because you guys have hated on the channel for so long that it is just dead now. And so they will now be the third-class citizens. And since they've been letting me board their planes in the baggage department and riding along in the baggage department, that's where they get to go now. And first-class citizens now are going to be TikTokers and my other platforms. What's up? So anyway, that's how we're gonna roll. Going again, as always, I show up every day, every morning. I wouldn't say 7 days a week, but at least 5 days a week I show up to do these lives for you guys. And we will continue on this journey together. So thanks, guys, as always, for joining me here. And I will see you all in the next one. Take care.